The Blue River Technologies Dewatering Tower gives the user an economical and very efficient method of dewatering many different types of slurries and sludges. The tower allows the geotextile dewatering bag to be reused over and over again, greatly reducing the cost of the dewatering process. Here at this Indiana wastewater treatment plant, the sludge is pumped over to the tower from the digesters utilizing pre-existing drying bed lines. This tower is protected from the elements with this PVC fabric building. This tower was installed over a pre-existing drying bed. In warmer climates, the tower can be installed outside with no building or protection needed. The sludge piping into the building is insulated and heat taped to prevent freezing in the cold Indiana winters. This digester is full of approximately 1.5 to 2% wastewater sludge. This sludge will be pumped over to the tower through pre-existing sludge lines that previously flooded the drying beds. A rotary gear pump at the base of the tower provides a constant flow of sludge into the bag. The operator can turn on the flocculant system at this control station. Radio frequency control also provides the operator local start and stop capability for operating the sludge pumps that are located inside the main building. You can see the flocculant mixing through the viewing window of the flock mixer cabinet. The tower starts dewatering as soon as sludge is pumped up and into the bag spout at the top of the tower. The sludge that is pumped into the bag requires a flocculant to agglomerate the solids. A sludge slampening valve located just above the flocculator is used to make sure the flocculant is working properly. When the flocculant is working, clear water will surround the agglomerated solids in the slurry stream. The clear water can filter through the bag very quickly. Note the clear water surrounding the flock solids. This water drains rapidly through the pores of the geotextile bag while the solids are trapped in the tower. As solids pile up in the bottom of the bag, the weight of the solids on top helps to squeeze free water out of the bag. This process captures over 99% of the solids from the waste stream. Clear water flows through the bag and is returned to the headworks of the plant through the underdrain system of the old drying beds. This system uses gravity to do most of the work. Almost no energy is used to produce near belt press quality solids with the Blue River Technology Dewatering Tower. The rotary gear pump maintains a constant flow to the bag. This helps the flocculation process. The tower is very nearly full. The sludge tank has been drawn down approximately 14,000 gallons, and that has been processed through the tower. In this installation, the slurry is digested municipal wastewater. The next morning, the operator will pull off the tarp covering the 20-yard roll-off container located under the tower, and the tower will be dumped. The hydraulic clamps are unlatched, and the doors are opened, and the sludge is dropped into the roll-off. The dewatered sludge is very near belt press quality. This load of sludge was dewatered overnight and then dumped. With the Blue River Dewatering Tower, you can fill, dump, and refill from 1 to 2 loads a day and easily maintain from 18 to 20% solids with most municipal wastewater sludges. The sides and the bottom of the geotextile dewatering bag are open, and unique tower-style construction maximizes the force of gravity to facilitate the dewatering process. After dumping the load, the doors are closed on the bag. The hydraulic latches are closed to secure the doors, and we're ready to run another load. In this setup, the roll-off stays under the tower and is covered by a tarp while the tower is being filled. Other setups may have the operator drop the load down on a concrete pad and the solids pushed out to a drying pad where they can air dry as long as desired. Free water will continue to drain from the solids even after the load is dropped out. Note how dry these solids are after only 1 day of dewatering. This degree of dryness will never be achieved in a normal closed bag geotextile process. This installation is dewatering municipal wastewater sludge, but many different types of sludges can be dewatered economically with the Blue River Dewatering Tower. Your sludge may be even drier, depending on its particular dewatering characteristics. Clear, clean effluent flows out the bottom of the bag where it is captured by a concrete pad or by an existing drying bed area. The effluent can then either be returned to the plant, or in the case of a confined space agricultural application, it can be applied to adjacent farm grounds or stored in a holding lagoon. The tower can be utilized with a spreader to take the solids directly to the field. You can also set the tower up over a concrete pad, drop the solids down, and push them back to a storage area for future application. There are as many ways to set up this tower system as there are people to come up with a setup that most meets their needs. Blue River Technologies, we are always ready to work with our customers to improve their solids handling installations. Call us. We'll be happy to assist you.